Hi everyone. Today I want to teach you the value of inputs. You might want to work a lot with sheets wherein there are dynamic inputs. People will be typing dates, numbers, names, so on and so forth. For example, the next project that we have, expense tracker. So over there, you might want to log your expenses, right? And you obviously will not always go to this app scripts and type it. It will not save any time. You want to make it a bit more smarter. So first I'll teach you a boring way, okay, of the problem right now, and then I'll give you the solution. So over here, there is this in column D, there is Kaustubh, right? And I want, that's my name, and I want in column A1 to come hello Kaustubh. Alright, very simple. I think if you understood my previous video, this should not be a challenge for you. We first try to understand which sheet is it, and then after that, sorry, after that we then let me complete this. Okay, I know this is a very long formula, but it's a very repetitive one. All right, now we know which sheet is it. It is currently in the input value sheet. Okay, now in this particular sheet, I want the value that is stored in cell, I think it was C4 or D, C1 or D1, D1. All right, in D1, get value. Okay. Oh, I have to store this. Let's call it name. Okay. Name. Just so that I'm not making a mistake, I'll log this. Name that I fetched was, and I'll just log it as well. In case I'm making an error, I should at least know it, right? And after that, what I'll do is I need to save hello Kaustubh in the cell A1. Dot set value hello space then the name plus space and exclamation mark. All right, let's add a semicolon. And just for the sake of it, let me also log. I think this works. All right, let's debug this. All right, technically this should work. Why? Because execution started and it got the sheet context, it got the name from D1. Maybe that's why it reached name that I fetched was Costo, which is correct. After that, it set the value in A1, and at the end, it printed. I think this works. If you check the sheet now, this did work. We exactly got what we wanted. Hello, Costo! Exclamation mark fetching from here. And if I change the name over here, like Rajesh, it will not automatically change. I again have to run or debug the script, and then without me doing anything, it will automatically become Rajesh. But here is the trick. Every time, is this the best way? And what if my name is different? Like, this should be working much more smarter way, right? It shouldn't have to fetch from here. Um, so I'm teaching you something that will help you later on as well. Instead of instead of fetching it from a particular cell like get value like we did over here, what if we can collect a user input and that will automatically update things that way. Let me just show you what I'm trying to talk about. So instead of getting it from anywhere else, we'll do var name is equal to, and there's a thing called browser input. Okay, so browser dot input box, and within the input box, it'll tell us enter your name. Okay, now the name is coming from this input box rather than this particular cell. So now if I write Suresh also, it does not matter because over here now if I do um, run and if I open sheets now, you will see it will not show anything right now. because I'm pretty sure it has an input box open and it's waiting for my input. See, an input box is waiting. Over here, let's say I name it to Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Now over here it's Suresh. Over here it's Sachin Tendulkar. Let's see what will happen. This got updated to hello Sachin Tendulkar because it is no longer fetching it from this particular cell. It fetched it from my input. All right. So this is what I wanted to teach you, that this way dynamic inputs can do a lot of things. In the project, we learn this a bit better, in which we'll not just collect input, but we'll also validate it. If I'm asking for a date and if it gives a name, then I'll throw an error that you've entered the wrong input. And there are a lot more logic that we can put if we want to. Again, I'll not try to complicate this. I'll try to keep it at a surface level because this is an optional topic. Okay. And I just want the really interested folks to go deeper into it. Those who do not want to do it, that is okay. This will not always be a part of your interviews, as I've said. If you've understood only till this much, that is also fine. Okay, just that you'll not be able to make a very interesting project then in Sheets. All right. With this, I'm ending this particular video, and in the next video, we'll learn a very simple thing on how to trigger these functions using a button rather than this. It'll be just a 2-minute video. It should be very simple. Okay. Let's see you over there. Bye.